Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make a header and a footer on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, for both of these, we're going to be going into the editor, so let me just go ahead and go to the editor real quick. I'm going to select my landing page and click edit, and that's going to take me right into the editor where I want to be. Now, as you'll notice, this does not have a header or a footer, it just has some text. Rather, it just has one heading, and that's all this page has. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a header and a footer. Now just go into the block inserter, search first for header, and now it's going to give you the header, which is this purple icon. Just click on that, and that's going to add your header to your site, or you can just drag it over. It doesn't really matter. And for some reason, I'm not sure why this cannot be inserted. Let me try it with the footer. And this can't be inserted as well for some reason. I am really not sure why this is happening. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to create a new page, which should remedy this situation. This really never happened to me, so I really don't know what's happening. So I'll just go ahead and create a new blank page, and let me try this first. So if we go to header, it still does not allow me to add the header, it looks like. So for example, I'll add this one, and there we go. We've added the header. Now to customize the header, you literally just need to click on the elements and edit them however you would like. As you can see, you can change your site title and everything. You can drag this above your site title as well. If only I could get how to drag this. There we go. You can put it at the very top of your site, really doesn't matter, and you just need to edit it like this. You can also add different header styles if you so choose. Completely depends on you, so I'm just going to leave that up to you. Now, alternatively, you can do that, and you can also add the footer. And as you'll see, you also have other footer styles. I'll just select this one, and if we add it to our site, as you can see, we now have the footer, which should appear on the bottom of our page. And that is pretty much all you need to do. After you're done with that, just edit it however you want to save your changes to your page, and it should appear across all pages. If it doesn't, go ahead and manually add it to wherever it needs to be. But that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.